Indian troops, in their unabated acts of state terrorism, have martyred 18 Kashmiris, including a woman, so far this year, according to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service. 8 of these Kashmiris were martyred in fake encounters or in custody. The killings by the troops rendered 5 women widowed and 9 children orphaned. Indian troops arrested as many as 322 Hurriyat leaders, activists, youth, students, journalists, and other human rights activists. At least 48 persons were injured due to the use of brute force on peaceful protesters by the Indian Forces personnel. The troops martyred 3 youth in the last month of March. Jammu Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, a constituent of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, has expressed grave concern over the surge in killing of innocent youth by the Indian troops in the territory. The DFP, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the Indian troops have turned occupied Jammu and Kashmir into a slaughterhouse where innocent and educated youth are being killed in fake encounters. An officer of the Indian Paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force committed suicide today in Budgam district. The CRPF Assistant Sub-Inspector Ajay Kumar Lama ended his life by hanging himself in his barrack. This incident raised the number of such deaths among Indian troops and police personnel to 563 since January 2007. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have paid rich tributes to the noted Kashmiri physician Dr. Abdul Ahad Guru on his martyrdom anniversary. APHC leaders including Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori, Sayyid Bashir Andrabi, Khwaja Fardos, Javed Ahmad Mir, Fardos Ahmad Shah, Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Farida Behenji, Khadim Hussain, Sayyid Sibte Shabir Kummi, Dr. Musib and Muhammad Aqib, in their statements issued in Srinagar and Jammu, said that despite being highly educated heart surgeon, Dr. Abdul Ahad Guru joined the freedom movement under the banner of Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front and laid down his life for the Kashmir cause. In Indian state of Jharkhand, 42-year-old Muslim man Manzoor was beaten up by a mob over the allegation of stealing a cow. Manzoor's motorcycle was stopped by some self-proclaimed cow vigilantes and he was beaten black and blue. In Bihar state, a video shows some people riding bikes and carrying saffron flags abusing the Muslims. In Dhanbad city of Jharkhand state, a Muslim youth was tied to a tree and thrashed mercilessly by some Hindutva fanatics over the allegation of cow slaughter. In Gujarat state, a video shows a mob carrying saffron flags pelting stones at a mosque. Speakers at a gathering organized in New Delhi by the Students' Islamic Organization spoke of the importance of standing up for the human rights and for the need to fight the unjust detention and imprisonment of several political activists. The event was to express solidarity with the families of political prisoners and victims of hatred. It was attended by the families of Khalid Saifi, Miran Haider, Salim Khan, Athar Khan, Gulfishan Fatma, Tahir Hussain, Salim Munna, Salim Malik and Taslim Ahmad. Student activist Asif Iqbal Tanha, Ramesh E.K. and Abdullah Faiz also attended the gathering.